I'm just trying out the Duolingo French. Duolingo.
Une femme mange une orange.
Une femme mange une orange. So a woman is eating an orange. Victory. How long does this
Je
take?
suis une femme.
Je suis une femme. I am a femme.
Tu es Paul?
Tu es Paul? Are you Paul? I'm gonna learn how to type
Tu
this
manges une
program.
pizza.
Tu manges une pizza. You are a pizza. You are eating a pizza.
Une
Comment?
femme.
Une femme. A woman. A wow man. Which one of these is a croissant?
Le croissant.
I'm gonna have to go with number 3, Bob. Price is right. You making me something to eat? No. Match the pairs. A is un. Dog is chien.
Chien.
Chien. Oh, I said that wrong. I said chien. Chien. Je.
Je.
I already ate. Fille.
Fille.
Oui. Je suis coucou. Femme.
Un garçon et un chat.
No, I already ate. Un garçon et un chien. A boy and a cat. A boy and a cat and a chat. How do you say chat?
Un garçon et un chat.
Et un chien. I'm recording, okay? Okay? What? This is just an experiment. If I get 1 million views, I'll make another video. Man is homme.
Homme.
Et
Et
un garçon.
Garçon.
Chat.
Une femme et une fille.
Une femme et une fille. Et une fille. So a woman. Don't look at me with that tone of face. A woman and a daughter. Girl. Yeah. How do you say daughter? Fille. So that'd be technically correct. And is a.
Et.
A. Woman is femme.
Femme.
Chat.
Chat.
Un.
Garçon.
Wow, I'm so fluent now. A woman is femme.
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 C'est un croissant.
C'est un croissant. It is a croissant. It's a croissant. You are a croissant. Oh, thank goodness, it's over. It's so hard being fluent in French. What a streak. 14 days. No, baby steps, man. I can't do it. I can't do it. Oh, I unlocked a gift. Okay, get me out of here, man. Get me out of here before they start showing ads.